Oh, what's good? What's going on? I was trying to say what's going on and what's good. We're back after a long holiday weekend. Hopefully everyone's ready for this week. Hopefully we get some better price action after last week's. I know we were green, but last week's price action sucked. But now that the holiday's over, market had some time to rest. Had some time to rest on Thursday. See what we got going on here. Look at this. Look at this daily chart. Do we keep going? Do we keep going? All right, news. 945 S&P PMI and 10. So we need to watch out at 945 and 10 today. Same thing. I don't know if I just never noticed, but these like bill things, they seem to be quite often. I mean, they're always in the afternoons, so they don't affect me, but there was one time a couple months ago I was trading afternoon in the market went a little crazy, and it was one of those bill, or I don't know what the hell it was. Never mind. I could be just making stuff up today. Doesn't matter. We don't trade the afternoon anyways. All right, daily. We're just ripping higher. Let's reload this. We are stuck in this little new day opening gap from 319 to 320. Kind of been ticking around here for a while. The fact that these two bodies respected it, it's interesting, right? This one didn't, but then we wicked down even lower. This one wicked down, and these two bodies respected that gap. So I don't know. Do we keep going up? We're so close to 19,000. Let's leave that on there. And then let's just do like a top down. We'll just go down the list and just see if we spot anything. I mean, we've just been pretty choppy ever since. I think this was FOMC, right? This move, maybe that was at 14. So yeah, that was at 2. Yeah, this was FOMC. Ever since FOMC, we've just been filling in this displacement, chopping around. Again, this doesn't matter because we trade the 5-second chart, so it doesn't matter. What's up, Watt Mild? You doing all right? You have a good weekend? One hour is not really. 1 hour isn't really telling me anything. We've got this move right here. where we displaced down, made new lows off of that, then displaced back up. But we have respected it, but we're just going back and forth. Oh, I had Italian food too. And we just had, me and my wife just had meatball subs, but it's Italian, right? It was pretty good. We just relaxed, had a nice long weekend. It was kind of nice not trading Friday. Like like I obviously like trading. I'm addicted to trading. But the way with price action lately, like having Friday off, it was like a relief. Sleep in, no stress. I can't lose money because I'm not trading. Kind of felt good. Got this gap from close on Thursday, and then we opened up. So we've just been closing. We've just been closing that in. Oh, nice. I haven't been to a beach in a while ever since I moved out of Florida. I think I've been to the beach once since I moved out of Florida, and that was when we went back to visit Florida. But we didn't. We just went to the beach to visually see it. We didn't like enjoy it. And we're like, okay, yep, there's the beach, just like. Mm, mine's not. I'm not. My YouTube thing isn't complaining about anything, so maybe it was on your end. Usually YouTube will complain if my quality goes down, but this has been showing stream is healthy and excellent. Usually I'll have errors if my internet's slowing down. It's weird. I guess if I had to pick a direction, maybe it was me. Juker's blaming it on me. Maybe I don't know. Maybe it was me. I just don't know. If I had to pick a direction, I think I would say we're bullish because this is the daily. So, and we just been consolidating ever since FOMC, but we filled in this new day opening gap. We dug down into this displacement, and then we're filling in this move from the open last night. So maybe after we fill it in, then we continue going higher. I don't know. What do you guys think? Bearish or bullish today? Again, doesn't really matter. Doesn't matter on the 5-second chart. Uh what was what day was it? We just went, maybe it was this day. Whatever this day was, we went straight down and I made money by longing like little tiny, just little scalps. So you don't have to, I don't know, it just depends on how you trade. Start bearish on the first candle and rock it up. I could see us doing that. Like I said, we're filling in this whole displacement. So that would make sense. Maybe we dip down to 18466 down there. And then we rip up. 9:45 and 10. Let's put some stuff on here. Two news events, 9:45 and 10. So we just need to be a little careful. You don't want to get on the wrong side of one of those. I'm sure I could have used something better than just a vertical line. I don't want to see the degree. All right. Let's see what they want to do with the markets this week. I forgot I put that vertical line there, and I thought that was a candle. I'm like, why is that rendered like that? Not even the same color as the other ones. Alrighty. Everyone place your bets now. I appreciate you using it, man. I appreciate it. We're starting bearish so far. The hell's going on? One second. Where are we going? My Rhythmic just logged out. What the hell? I try restarting Quan Tower. Well, this won't log back in. I just got logged out of like my Rhythmic shut down, and now I can't, like, I can sign back into R Trader, but I can't sign in. It's not connecting on Quan Tower. It says loading symbols. We'll see if it loads this time. Like, my R Trader wasn't even pulled up anymore. Oh, here we go. I think we're back. It's weird. Super weird. All right. Well, so far, market's doing what I thought. We're not in it. Yeah, you did. Bearish into bullish. Damn. What? That is not. There's no way that the 5 minute candle. Wait, there's no way that we have a 20-point gap right there. Reload history. Okay. That. We're having some issues today. Because we took the day off on Friday, so now I don't know what the hell's going on. Okay. We're just reaching up for these, at least these highs right here. 584, and then potentially 18.6. But where can we get in at? We want to make money too. Man, Nasdaq and ES are way off. I like that little gap right here after we took out these. I know it's only on the 5 second, but stuff like that happens down here on the 5 second. We just took those out. What would that was at 6:30? Where the hell was damn ES was all the way back here at 6:30 or up here at 6:30. We're way out of sync on these two. Should we do another FOMO trade? What's everyone's opinions? What's everyone's opinions on FOMO trades? Good, bad? You like them? You hate them? You love them? I don't know if Nasdaq's going to keep going and ES is just going to rip up, or if Nasdaq is getting ready to tank. What's up, McLovin? What's your opinion on FOMO trades? Do they have a place in your playbook? No, I was just being dumb. I just asked that question to everybody right before you got on here. Perfect. Shit, we could have FOMO'd on this anywhere and we'd be in the money. Damn. I had a little bit of technical difficulties right there at open. My rhythmic like shut down and logged me out. Nice, Tyler. Like you made the decision to stay off of the funded this morning because of something you see. Oh, I hear you, McLovin. It can never just keep going in your direction. It's always got to pull back a little bit, even if you do end up in the green. This is crazy. 16. Oh, we did take out that high. And that one. We got to go to 18,612 though, right? Nice, Tyler. This is I hear you. Feel like as soon as this red candle prints, everyone's gonna be shorting. So now we should probably long, right? I think I have to go with it. My instincts just saying to long here. Now ES is getting ready to go. Oh, we have non-farm payroll this week. I didn't look at the week. I just looked at today. We shouldn't have taken that. There was no setup there. Yeah, we do, McLovin. 9:45 PMI, and then there's another thing at 10. That's why I put these lines on here to tell me to stay out of trades when we get close. They didn't work though, so let's wait for some actual setups. I'm surprised too. All right, we came down to a gap, made a gap here. We should probably wait till after news, right? Let me put all this back. I mean, this is a valid setup right here. We bounce off this 1 minute gap, created a gap here. I'll wait. Fine. Tyler. You haven't been around for years and you come back and want to give bad advice. Look at you. I think a long here is good. Even we have 7 seconds for news. I knew it. Come on. Brett Simba. Never heard of that name. I knew I should have taken that. Would have been like a 4 or 5 point stop. Alito. Don't copy him then. I took a long for no reason on that pullback. All right, we're going back to this 1 minute. If that gets respected and we create a 5-second, then we'll get in. What does it have to be? We just need to create it off of that. $41 short. Jesus. There we go. Nope. Maybe not. Maybe yes. Maybe no. Can we get a gap? Kind of. What in the hell? Jesus. Why? I don't want to start the week off like this. I know. ES is like. We took out the 630 or 330 highs. ES 330 highs are way up here. High, low, higher, high. We see that. We see this. We see this. ICT. We need a cheer. So stupid. Oh my god. Yeah, we should probably just freaking short this. I know, that was hilarious. We need to come up to 592-ish up in there. Oh, we came down in these wicks into there and then created this. So I just want to see a little pull back up. Just like that. Just wanted a little bit. Just wanted a little bit. Hourly order block. I love having you here because I miss all that stuff because I don't look at it. Because I don't know. I don't know what that is. Just came up into this little tiny 1 minute fair value gap. So if we're going to go lower, I would think these should respect that. Like that. This day, this kind of sucks so far. We're still, let's say 15 support center right there. I want lower now. And ES looks like it's wants to just drag Nasdaq all the way down. Frick. What are we doing? What are we doing, guys? Fine. Yes, do your thing. I'm just gonna get out. I'd rather take a little bit of something instead of going backwards more. And now we're going to wait until after 10 because I'm about to just chop up our account for no reason. Still think a short there is good. These bodies respected this guy. I don't know if it will work. I mean, I certainly wasn't going to hold it to see if it did because I'd have to have a stop at the highs. It's not that far. It's only 15 points from that fair value gap, but I'm not willing to take a 15-point loss anyway. So, but you heard it here first. If this comes down at least halfway, yeah, that's a possibility as well. And I started the day saying I'm bullish, but the bullishness happened. So now I start thinking about how this is completely opposite of what is happening on Nasdaq. So what's more plausible? ES comes up, or Nasdaq goes back down? I just don't know. Doesn't even matter on this 5-second chart. I'm supposed to just be scalping little scalpy scalps. We got caught up in the moment. My those technical difficulties this morning just threw me off. Right. Oh, we're going, McLovin. All right, let me go get more coffee. That helps when I get up, take a little break. We got wait for this news to pass. Wait for the storm to roll through. Is that a moon? I'll be right back. All right, just in time for the news. Yeah, it's a better looking moon. Popped along from the 5 minute gap. And Nasdaq or ES? We did not make higher highs off of that. I swear if this rolls over, I'm going to be pissed at all you guys. Tyler. What's up, Knives? You doing all right? I'm down a little bit. Just got back from getting some more coffee. We're just waiting for this news to pass. Yeah, it's not too bad. Whoa. Leto, get the greens, not the losses. Now we go higher. 2,000, Jesus. Per account or across all five? Oh my God. So you were down 10. What are you doing over there? Oh my God. Oh my God. What the hell are you trading for if you weren't? Oh my God. Oh, Alito, you're something else. We're down 2,000. I mean, we're just going higher now, right? Oh, we had FOMO this morning, Naz. I didn't take a FOMO trade. I was asking everyone if I should because I wanted to. Everything went down for me on this open, and I was bullish. And sure enough, we went straight up. I don't think I would have capitalized on it, but I don't want. I want this chart to just be zoomed in. Oh, here we go. There. Okay. We still have yet to break this high. So if I was in a short off of this 1 minute fair value gap, that's where my stop would be set. And I'd be aiming for the middle of this move. So I don't know. ES is going down. Maybe we need to be looking at shorts. Like I've been saying. I also keep changing my mind. It's just a tough read because ES is doing something completely different than Nasdaq. Nasdaq seems like it needs a healthy pullback. Just chase it. Just short now. Nothing wrong with that. I'm telling you, I think this little 1 minute fair value gap was the money. That would have been rough sitting in all this, especially during the news, but it was only a 15-point stop, and now we're up 30. So 1-2 as of now, aiming for more. Whoa, 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 whoa. And it's working. I just don't take that setup anymore. That would have been a tough hold, but as long as your stop's not hit, there's no reason to take it off. Damn. Now we're up 40 points. I tried to tell you, Alito. I called that move out for you, but you didn't want to take it. ES took out this low. I haven't taken any FOMO trades, Knives. If anything, I faded it when it got to the, wait, did I? What was my first? I longed on a pullback. I was thinking that everyone else was thinking it was going to go down, so I longed. I don't know if ES is. I don't think Nasdaq is going all the way back to its lows. I think Nasdaq is just going to come back to halfway like that. Look at that. Market's pretty good. We had all this. I got in really late, but just going to get out, take our $80 and move on. It's all right, Jamie. It's a nice, simple setup. So you'll have, I mean, what last week was technically 4 for 4, right? So did it, where's our 1 minute at? Did it go up first? Like that. I think I like that. Nice. Go for it. Again, I'm just trying to grind this back a little. Damn, of course could have held on to that. That would have been nice. Um I assume you did a replay like down on the second, like a lower than a minute time frame. Or you did a replay, so you watched it. Because if you just go back and look at a static chart, it's hard to tell. Like, obviously, like a candle like this, it's hard to tell like which way did it go first. It could have done anything in here. It could have just opened and then just went straight up and down like that, like crazy, and then closed and then to the next candle. It's hard to tell. Oh my god. What a beautiful short up here when all you guys said no. We're coming back up to this guy. Do we want to short again? I don't think. I think now Nasdaq will go higher because it came back 50% and look at this 50. That's pretty spot on right there, right? Yeah, for sure. For sure. I like this order block being created. That then this provide gap. Want to see a little more than what it just did though. Why is my it looks like the little I know I'm not supposed to be looking at the price on the side, but this is the dumbest thing in the world. I don't like how it's showing. I think it's showing with commissions involved, and I don't want it to show that because it's saying .98 instead of .00, and that should not matter whatsoever. But I'm weird, and little things like that bother me when I want it to say .00. Oh damn! You can't change. I was gonna say, yeah, I did update Quantower. I didn't like. Damn it! So I have to leave it on that. I don't like how it says 98 like that. We displaced down, created it to get that. Frick. I'm just gonna get out of that. What I thought looked good was like this little like a V pattern, not a pattern, but we displaced down on the 5-second, swept these little short-term lows, and then we displaced up, came back to a fair value gap. It wasn't willing to give us anything, which is fine. We move on to the next one. We're in a much better spot. We're down $100 right now. Earlier we were down A little over 2, I think, somewhere around there. We can look at the graph later. I think this is going higher. Got a bullish fair value gap there. Now we're doing all this. If we can get a pullback at some point, or at least a red candle, which this is what I wanted to happen earlier. We'll just wait. Let's wait for the market to move out of this area. Yeah, I do think we go higher, Tyler, now that Nasdaq did this 50% back and those two candles respected it. And that breaker earlier on the 1 minute was not very like prominent or whatever. Like these three candles did not really bust through this swing low. I don't know. ES is telling a totally different story. ES took out these highs. Right here. And this candle, this 5 minute, displaced down past a swing, create a fair value gap. I just don't know. It's hard. Hard reads today. I just wouldn't expect Nasdaq to go lower because of that. These two candles. But like I always say, market is going to do whatever the hell it wants to do. Oh, Powell's speaking on Wednesday. Initial jobless claims on Thursday. Non-farm on Friday. Damn. And then next week, we got PP news. Core CPI, core PPI. Got a couple good weeks, boys. Little gap there. It's not going to do anything. Jesus. She's going down. Alito, jump on some shorts for us and Report back. I'm going to change my microphone and I want you guys to tell me the difference. Where is it at? How much different does this sound? I didn't change the microphone. I just turned off some software that was running on the other one, but it cuts out a lot of noise, and I feel like sometimes it doesn't pick me up sometimes when I start talking. But what is the quality of this versus before? I think you can. Yeah, you can hear if I even like whisper now. The other one would cut that out. Alito, did you take that short? I put money in your pocket and you didn't want it. Oh my god, I feel like we should just freaking short somewhere on this. You know, as soon as we do, it's not going to keep going. Sultry, what the hell does that mean? I think you could probably hear me clicking though. No? Very humid and hot. Expressing sexual desire. Oh my god. Oh man. Is it too loud now though? I can't tell. I don't know how loud it was getting before. Oh, whatever. Someone will complain if it's not up to their expectations. How you doing over there, Methodical? Nice. I'm down one hundo. I'm supposed to long here. We're in fair value. We're in bullish fair value gaps. We created a 5-second fair value gap. I got filled way up there. Not that makes a huge difference, but it's a setup, so I have to take it. I could see us going back up into this guy though. Maybe not. There we go. There we go. I want like 40 though. Come on. Let's take that. We are officially officially in the green on the day. $9. I'm telling you, taking a little coffee break around 10, especially if we're red, helps. That was a tough buy too, because the FOMO trader in me wanted to short somewhere, but then I'm like, the setup I'm waiting for just formed. That's what I need to take, and if it's a losing trade, so be it. And we went right up to 40. So now that we're in a bearish fair value gap, we wait for bearish setups. Why is it so hard for me to just wait for these things? You taking a short? In 10 seconds. We're in this 5 minute. We're about to create a 5 minute fair value gap there, Methodical Man. I need to get you an updated version of that bot though, so you can run it. What the hell is ES doing? It's halted. Should have freaking shorted when that gap formed, damn it. Reacting off of the 5 minute, reacting off of 1 minute. 5 second is looking good. It's hard though when we have multiple. I mean, we got a bullish one here, bearish one here. You got to just try to read the overall market conditions, and shorting seems to be more favorable right now, I think. I don't know. ES, or not ES, Nasdaq came back to OTE perfectly. It's a little interesting. I don't know which direction to place a trade right now, so I need to wait. We got long setups. We got short setups. Yeah. I'm bearish because of ES, for sure. But, you know, Nasdaq. And again, I'm looking for 3-5 points at a time. So just because I'm bearish doesn't mean I won't take a long, and vice versa. For sure. Yeah, this is a pretty big fair value gap breaking a swing here. But yeah, you guys just got to remember I'm just looking for a couple points. So the overall trend doesn't really, or the overall move doesn't really matter to me. Obviously, I prefer to get in the direction of the overall because I feel like it just gives you a little better edge, but it's not necessary. Take this guy, maybe. I want it to come back up further into that. And then go after these lows. But might go after those lows right now. Oh, it's definitely going. ES is about to freaking go take that out when it does. There we go. Came back up into this a little more. Took one trade from McDonald's on my PA. You're at McDonald's? What, you're not streaming? Oh, damn. Should have taken that. That was those lows I was just pointing at. Come on, ES. Oh, you're on vacation. Interesting. Damn. I want ES to make a move towards those lows. And if it does, it should yank Nasdaq down like this. I really want 18,530 though. There. Damn, why was that so difficult? That's all we wanted. All right, after that, I think I want to keep trading a little bit, so we're just going to switch to micros because we are past our goal. 281 on the day after that trade. Appreciate it, Myth. So we'll just trade 2 micros. And let's say if we lose let's try to guarantee at least 230 today. So if we lose $50 or more, we're stopping. Otherwise, we'll just keep trading. There we go. Shoulda, woulda, coulda held on to that a little bit longer. Damn, we would have passed this freaking account if we held on to that. But I didn't. I knew we're getting close to I know I'm getting close to passing this. We only need $162. I can't. That's one trade. I can't worry about that. I need to just take my trades, and whatever happens. I hate getting close to passing accounts after that time that I was $60 away from passing. and I blew the account. So I'm not even worried about it. We just keep doing what we're doing, aim for 200-ish a day, move on. Nice, McLovin. Feels good holding on to those bigger trades when you don't do it for a while. Just created equal lows on the 1 minute, 5 minute as well. I think we go back down there though. Nope, maybe not. I don't want to hold past that. I'm pretty certain as well. I just kind of got in and that's kind of a FOMO right there, I guess. We have a 1 minute right there. So if we create a 5 second, which is what we did over here. Oh yeah, we're waiting, Myth. Don't worry, Myth. I'm not going to jump in anything. Don't worry. Only good decisions. We're going to wait a little bit. You know, we just got out of a trade. We're not going to jump right back into another trade. That would be a bad idea. So don't you worry about me. We're going to stay nice and patient, wait for some setups to form, and then we'll get in. Or did I say Myth? I meant McLovin. You guys both have the same. You guys are both members, and I can't tell. It's hard to. And you both start with M's. Come on. I'm doing this. Hold on, I'll tell you why in a second. I just wanted to take out these lows. Oh, those lows are also OTE, isn't it? I think. I don't know. What do we want? 514-ish. Yeah, I'm just on micros. Come on. I don't even want the money. I just want to be right that we go down to 514. What's up, one stop? No, I could do a lot of damage. Because then I'll hold on longer. Whatever. We'll just freaking get out there. All right, so I think I'm done. Sorry, one stop, but I think I'm done trading now. This is getting pretty choppy. This is just a tough day to read. I mean, at least we got movement finally. We haven't had movement like this in a while on Nasdaq. But up to 265. We need $178 to pass But tomorrow, we're not going to worry about that. We're just going to do exactly what we did today. Wait for the setups, get in, get out, and move on. Oh my God. Look at that. Couldn't do that when we were in the trade. No, that's way too much to ask for. Is this our... Yeah, we had a pretty rough, not even a rough day. It was just tough. Not rough. It was tough. Yeah, that's what always happens there, Alito. Used to it. I'm used to getting out of trades and then it freaking rips in my direction. So, oh, we were down almost 400. I didn't look at the P&L at that point, but here's the thing. The fact that I'm red and then am able to recover and then stop in the green, like, that is a massive, 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 massive improvement on my manual trading. Because usually, if I go in the red, I'm done. Like, there's no recovering. I'm only going to make it worse because I can't think about anything except how much money I'm down. But now, we're not doing that. We had from minus 400 to plus 260 with commissions. It's a pretty damn good turnaround for $600. So at this point, we were able to make 600. I'm satisfied. I hope you guys are satisfied. All right. Well, I'm going to stop trading there. Trying to demonstrate good self-discipline for everybody. Get in, get your money, get out. There's no point in freaking trying to shoot for the moon, Tyler. There's no point. Sometimes it works, but when it doesn't work, it freaking kills you. And then it's tough dealing with that. I'm just going to take my 265 and move on with my day. If our plan works by, pass this and then get another one to copy trade and then just copy the PA to the eval, and then we just keep doing that. Think about 6 months down the road. What if I have like 10 accounts all making 200 a day? I think that'd be some good returns. So, all right, you guys be careful if you are trading. We have like some build things this afternoon. I don't know what that will do. I don't even know what the market's going to do right now. So, let alone during a news event. You guys be careful. Trade safe. Follow your rules. Don't let the market get to you. And we'll be back tomorrow morning. Yeah, exactly. That's what I just can't do I can't do 20 at a time because I don't have the money to pay for 20 accounts. So we got to do it the poor man's way and just do one at a time. Get one to pay for the other one. So GG's everyone. See you guys in the morning.